overwhelmed? It feels like a storm cloud of thoughts, worries, and to-do lists gathering right over your head, getting darker and heavier until you can't see the path forward. When you get that feeling, here's a 5-minute reset to get your focus back. Just a quick note, this guide is for educational purposes only. Let's start with step 1. Breathe to calm your system. When you're overwhelmed, your body goes into a fight or flight response. Your heart races, your breathing gets shallow. We need to manually flip that switch back to a state of calm. We're going to do that with a simple technique called box breathing. I want you to follow along. We're going to inhale for a count of 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold again for 4. Ready? Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Do one more round on your own. This simple, structured breathing tells your nervous system that you are safe and in control. Now for step 2, ground yourself. Overwhelm lives in the future, in all the things you have to do. Grounding brings you back to the present moment, right here. Look around the room and mentally name what's here. Your desk, a lamp, a cup. Don't judge it, just notice it. To make this even more effective, use the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method with your senses. It's fast and simple. Right now, find 5 things you can see, 4 things you can feel, the texture of your shirt, the chair beneath you, 3 things you can hear, maybe a clock ticking or the hum of a computer, 2 things you can smell, and finally 1 thing you can taste. This pulls your attention out of the mental chaos and into your physical reality. Next, step 3 is the brain dump. All those swirling thoughts need a place to go besides your head. Grab a piece of paper or open a new note on your phone, and for just 1 minute, write down every single worry, task, or idea that comes to mind. Don't filter it, don't organize it, just let it all spill out onto the page. The goal isn't to create a perfect to-do list, it's to reduce your mental load. Getting it out of your head and onto a page makes it feel manageable. You should now have a list in front of you. This brings us to step 4. Circle one thing. Look at that list. Your instinct might be to find the biggest, most important task, but don't. Instead, I want you to circle the one thing that matters most right now, or the one thing that if you made a tiny bit of progress on it would provide the most relief. Don't overthink it, just pick one. We're fighting paralysis by making a single, simple choice. Finally, step 5 is to shrink it into a tiny first action. Whatever you circled, what is the absolute smallest step you could take to begin? If you chose Finish Report, the tiny action is Open the document. If you chose Clean the garage, the tiny action is Throw away one piece of trash. Make it so small it feels almost ridiculous not to do it. Then set a 2-minute starter timer. That's it. You are only committing to 2 minutes. Just begin. After those 2 minutes are up, you have a choice. You can decide to continue because you've already built a little momentum, or you can decide to stop. And here's the key. Both are wins. You successfully broke the cycle of overwhelm and took action. That's a victory. So let's do a quick recap of the 5-minute reset. First, you breathe to calm your body. Second, you ground yourself in the present moment. Third, you dump your thoughts to clear your mind. Fourth, you choose one priority. And fifth, you start with a tiny 2-minute action. Think about which of those first steps helps you the most. Is it the physical reset of breathing, the mental focus of grounding, or the clarity that comes from choosing just one thing? Knowing your go-to step can make this process even more powerful next time that storm cloud starts to gather.